I was one of the first 15 students. I was the youngest. I was 3 years old. Why I was there? Because my brother just was born, and my mom sent me to school, which was 1 block away. So in school, we learned 4 languages since kindergarten. English, because many families wanted to emigrate. Yiddish, because that's what they spoke at home. Spanish, of course, because Spanish is the language that we had to, because of the Secretaría de Educación Pública. And Hebrew, because this was a Zionist school. Very Zionist, very. We learn in Hebrew geography, Toldot, history, geography, the Torah. We translated Torah from Hebrew, from the Torah to modern Hebrew. And I took Hebrew for 13, 14 years. And that was important. And I always thought Israel was in my future, but it didn't happen. But we are very Zionist. I belong to the Shomer Hatzair, which was part of the school. I went to camp, Shomer Hatzair camp. So it was, I think it was a very good school.